This song right there. Yo, you already know, catch me at the east side. I'm with my 40 squad, you already know how we get down. Catch us at the block, all hooded out, wearing the wrong white tee fresh. A lot of these niggas seem amazed, but I just keep telling them, just be amazed. Cause like I already told y'all, I've been the one and I've been selected. I think my husband and father just for giving me the time. On some real shit, you already know all these bitches got hands with it. A lot of these niggas think they got foul plays, they ain't got nothing on me. I try to let them know though, but even though they don't hear me though, you already know though, I gotta keep it on the low though, you dig? I roll in silence, man, I'm in for a start. Around here I'm the Egyptian, I'm the reason why this game keep going around. Yeah, you already know everything goes round and round. Ever since I grew up in the game, I got a little fame, you already know. Now that I'm a hot model, I'm the hottest topic in the hood. I got all these ladies see my chica como quiera, necesitaba como va, they all up in my shit, now they wanna play. You show a little love, now they wanna go be a public enemy. It's all good though, you love me, you hate me, you don't stop. Cause I'm shining from day to day, you already know, wine with me, you already know. It's about that time, we call a miracle go round. You know, all the ladies love you, for the love, you already know what it is. It's all about love, it's all about the game and the fame. More importantly, it's power and respect. You ever forget with me? Yeah, you already know, remember me, giving back to the class. All the jokes, trying to laugh at. I'm gonna give you something that'll resonate. I'm gonna give you a little bit of taste of your own let it fit. I just like these now, motherfucker. I'm hitting the big apple. What the fuck you feel like? I ain't never coming, fucker. I'm the real talk, catch me on the script. I'm still hot in the hood. I'm hot inside with all these girls. I'm getting that flowers. Como es, yo. That block está caliente. That como es, yo. Feeling my swag, my game is tight. You really know me. That's the night that I see from the brink of the night. You feeling my game, you feeling my swag. Everybody get with me. Some others call me Lloyd, yo. I'm an OG, yo. I hit every project under the floor. You already know what I'm gonna fly. I got the ladies on swag. My telephone ringing, just so you already know. My name be there. Yo, yeah, Jingle Bell, motherfucker. Watch out for the 45 and shit. You got the shit right. Real shit, I'm ready to let you know. Ready to ignite in the night, motherfucker. I stay up all night, my niggas up for real talk. You better call the motherfucking bottom boy. It's rocking, it's talking, I tell y'all niggas this for a stop. You already know, yo. My niggas step way too motherfucking long. Now you in for a ruler way to me. You down with the politics, that's what you're looking right at me.
You look at him, right? Look at him, so big, when they come to me, something that's the fuck it is. That is like it's a biscuit. What you got this way? Up to left and back. That's what you see. What's up? So what you're doing, but not it. Why you talk on that shit outside of your lips? So I bust with the fucking hit, something out. One carrera, two para show. What do you do but you run through the door? So I'm telling you, doors are easy. When you come fucking with me, you gotta see. I got too many personalities. So when I speak, boy, you gotta listen please before you get that glass. And when I put it one time, put it down like that. So when it comes through, you can't blame me, cause I'm a fuck ya. What you gonna see?